All right, everybody, she's here. So like I said in my previous video, first time owning a 58 coupe. I've had two 58 hearses. I'll drop a picture here in the video in a second. One of them is actually still available if anybody's interested, but first time definitely for a coupe. All right, so here it is. As you guys know, I'll be doing more detailed photos and videos. Brand spanking new tires, so that's nice. Obviously not like white walls or anything like that, but they are absolutely brand new. The driver's side actually still has the sticker on it, if you guys caught that in the video. But interior is pretty nice. There's all the hubcaps. Needs some cleanup for sure, but it's all there. You know, you could either technically rat rod it or, you know, completely redo it. Personal preference. But it's all there. Needs to be cleaned, obviously. But anyway, this car is now for sale, so let me know what you guys think. My contact information will be in the end of the video. And like I said, there'll be more videos cleaning this thing up and things such as that in the days to come. Thanks for joining, guys. See you next time.